Good morning, everyone. It's Miss Daisy. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making cheesy mashed potato bites. The ingredients you're going to be needing to make this recipe is 2 cups of mashed potatoes. So with my mashed potatoes, I recommend doing it the day before. So if you want to have this recipe for breakfast. If not, if you want to do it on the same day like I did, it takes a little bit longer. Obviously, it took me maybe 40 minutes to make. You just boil some potatoes and then mash them up and then add some creamer and salt and pepper and some garlic powder. That's how I made mine. So anyways, you're gonna need 2 cups of mashed potatoes. And the potatoes, you can actually get a free bag of potatoes at a local food pantry. You're going to need 3 eggs. You're going to need a ½ cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You're going to need a ½ cup of steamed broccoli. Salt and pepper to taste. And you're going to need a cooking spray to spray it on your muffin sheet or muffin pan. This. And let me see. That's it. Those are all the ingredients. Also, make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which I already did. And have your muffin tin ready and your bowl that you're going to be mixing all the ingredients together. So before we get started, let's make sure to wash our hands for 20 seconds. And if you have long hair like I do, you can tie it back or put it in a bun like I did. Let's wash our hands. Okay, now that my hands are clean and dry, I'm going to first spray it onto the muffin sheet or pan. I use canola oil. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, in the bowl, I'm going to combine the mashed potatoes, the eggs, and cheese. So here are my mashed potatoes. So mashed potatoes, cheese. So the mashed potatoes again was 2 cups, and then the shredded cheddar cheese is a ½ cup. And eggs, which are three eggs. Okay, we are going to combine the 3 ingredients. Okay, so now my mashed potatoes, my eggs, and cheese are combined. I am now going to gently stir in the steamed broccoli. And now we're going to add some salt and pepper. I have my salt here. Pepper. So I'm doing a little more than a pinch of both salt and pepper. The mix kind of looks like broccoli cheddar soup. Okay, so now we're going to divide the mixture into the muffin cups. So I was able to fill in 8 of them. Next thing I'm going to do is put this in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes. So it says here to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which we did, for 20 minutes, and then once the mashed potato bites are done, make sure to serve it immediately or freeze for later. So let's come back in 20 minutes. Hey everyone, we're back. 20 minutes have passed, so let's take out our mashed potato bites. They smell so good. Okay. Make sure to wait at least like a minute or two so they can cool, so you can remove them from the muffin tin. A lot of it was left behind because I didn't add enough cooking spray, so make sure not to make the same mistake I did, but they did turn out really good. Maybe the shape's a little deformed, but it's really good. This is actually a really good breakfast to make in the morning. I hope you like this recipe, and remember that the potatoes you can get at a local food pantry, and also the eggs. And until next time, we're going to be making a 1-pan cheesy potato and green beans recipe. So stick around. Until next time, bye.